week or 2 weeks ago when we were here, we heard somebody talking. Were you talking to us at the time? Can you knock on the wall for us? If I knock 3 times, can you knock 3 times? You didn't hear knocking?
No.
No.
It could have been that motorcycle backfiring.
Yeah, I mean, that's...
Too.
Can we try this again without the motorcycle in the background? I thought I heard something that time too. Back there in the back.
Twice I've heard that.
Yeah.
You heard it?
I heard that
I
time.
heard that noise twice. When he asked, or when he did it, and then when I did it.
I didn't hear it that time. Sure. Yeah, that's exactly what I was about to try.
Do you know shaving a haircut? How about if you knock and then I will copy your knocks?